Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online business with LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Creating a secure online business presence on LinkedIn is essential for safeguarding your brand. Begin by creating a professional profile that clearly represents your business. Use a high-quality profile picture and a relevant background image that aligns with your brand's identity. In the headline section, specify your role and the services you offer. Craft a compelling summary that outlines your business goals and showcases your expertise. Next, adjust your privacy settings to control who can see your profile and business activities. Navigate to the settings page by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner. Under the visibility section, limit your profile viewing options to connections only. Ensure that your activity broadcast is turned off to limit notifications about your changes. Now, build a strong connections network by inviting industry professionals and potential clients. Personalize each connection request with a brief message that highlights common interests or goals. Once connected, engage with your network by sharing valuable content related to your industry. Regularly update your profile to reflect any changes in your business or professional achievements. Utilize LinkedIn's features such as groups and events to expand your reach and establish authority. On the groups page, search for industry-related groups and request to join those that align with your business. Participate actively in discussions to demonstrate your knowledge and connect with potential clients. Secure your account further by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regularly monitor your account for suspicious activity and unrecognized login attempts. In case of any security breaches, know how to report them to LinkedIn immediately. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your online business on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.